Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL Authentics 200 to an Android device. To connect it, first make sure your JBL Authentics 200 is plugged into power, and then go to Google Play Store and search for JBL One. Install this app, and then after a while you'll be able to open it, then accept end user license agreement, click on get started and allow location and allow your connecting to devices. And if your Authentics 200 is turned on, if it's plugged into power, then you will be able to press on connect. Press on connect, then click on the heart icon to confirm that sound is on the correct, that the sound is being created in the correct speaker, and then enter the password to Wi-Fi. You can also change the network by clicking here. Press on connect, and now it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Then it will check for updates. You can see it checking for updates. It's up to date. Okay, so press on done. You can now activate Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, or click on later to set it up later. And now you're connected to JBL Authentics 200. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.